company was kind enough to send me this diamond painting kit. Let's open it up. There's a couple things that I look for with these diamond sets, diamond painting sets. And one is what kind of canvas it is. Because I have gotten some, the canvas was really cheap. Let me see if I can get into this. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. It's coming open. Ooh, okay. So this one, the canvas is rolled nicely. I have had some that the canvas was bunched up. So the canvas is very nicely rolled. Let's take rubber band off so we can see what kind of quality. Oh yeah. And this is a really nice canvas type material. This is not like the really thin chinchy material. I like this. And you can see it has the guide on the side showing you the shapes and the colors, so that you can match up the colors of the diamonds. Let's see inside. Okay. Let's see what we have in here. And this is, oh my goodness. Oh, now this is cool. I thought these were going to be diamonds. These are not diamonds. They are little tiny like squares and rectangles. Oh, this is cool. Okay, let me open this up and see what else is in here. I thought this was regular diamond painting. It is not. This is a step up. So when this is finished, this is going to look more like mosaic. Whoops. Oh my goodness, there are tons of colors. Okay, but it does have the applicator tool just like the diamond painting. And it has the sticky stuff and the little tray. So it's going to go together very similar. But it's going to have a different appearance because the tiles are small. They're not rhinestones. So I cannot wait to get started on this and see how it looks.